Hi, welcome to Weazel News. This is Mark Marker, and I'm here at the Medical Center parking garage where earlier today we caught a high-speed pursuit live in action. There was a blue Porsche that was being pursued by the police. Let's take a look at some of that footage. The criminal did make an escape after we caught the footage there, and he was later involved in a shooting down the street. So let's hear the update from Senior Officer Axle Foreman. Thanks. I saw did a couple laps in there, and then he seemed like he got away. So yeah, what happened after that?
He led us to Innocence Boulevard 24/7, like right down the street. And a shootout happened. He was brought to the pillbox medical.
Were there any officers that were injured?
Negative.
Oh, so
Took out the threat pretty quick.
okay, so it was just only the criminal that was hurt.
Yep.
Awesome.
He received medical attention and he was brought to justice.
Awesome, good job. And did any civilians get injured out there, or did you?
No, there was no civilians at the time. I believe all civilians were inside because it was raining.
Oh wow, yeah.
So,
Awesome. Yeah. What's your name, officer?
Axle Foreman,
Axle
senior
Foreman.
officer.
Awesome. Yep. And were you
I can
part
give
of
you
the
my
chase?
badge number. Yeah, I was.
Awesome. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Well, thank you. Appreciate the time and.